Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel that helps you dodge those buyer's remorse blues. Today, we're diving into the world of drones, comparing the Ruko U11S and DJI Mini 2 SE. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride of sky-high hilarity and some serious tech talk. Let's get started. Over here, we have the Ruko U11S, which is priced at $283. And on the right, the DJI Mini 2 SE, coming in at $279. That's right, folks, for the cost of a couple of extra lattes, you could be the proud owner of a Ruko U11S. But if you're feeling thrifty and want to save those few bucks for some avocado toast, the DJI Mini 2 SE might be calling your name. Now, let's talk about weight. The DJI Mini 2 SE is a featherweight champion at under 249 grams, meaning you don't need to register it with the FAA. No paperwork, no hassle, just pure, unadulterated fun. The Ruko U11S is a bit heavier, but hey, it's still a lightweight drone that you can fold up and take on your adventures. Think of it as the difference between carrying a puppy and a slightly chubby cat. Next up, camera quality. The Ruko U11S boasts a 90 degrees adjustable 4K UHD camera, perfect for capturing those gram-worthy shots. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 2 SE may not explicitly mention 4K, but with the DJI Fly app, you can create some epic videos with just a few taps. Reviewers have praised the Ruko U11S for its improved stabilization and clear video quality, while the DJI Mini 2 SE is lauded for its smooth gimbal and high-quality footage. Time to take to the skies. Ruko U11S offers a max flight time of 20 minutes, but wait, it comes with an extra battery, giving you a combined flight time of 40 minutes. Meanwhile, the DJI Mini 2 SE flexes its muscles with a whopping 31 minutes per battery, and if you grab the combo, that's up to 93 minutes in the air. Reviewers appreciate the Ruko U11S for its dual batteries, while the DJI Mini 2 SE is celebrated for its impressive single battery duration. Let's talk tech. Ruko U11S comes with optical flow positioning for indoor stability and GPS positioning for outdoor flight. This means your drone won't be doing the cha-cha-cha when it's supposed to be hovering. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 2 SE has advanced transmission with a 10 kilometers max range and can handle winds up to 38 kilometers per hour. It's like the Superman of drones, faster than a speeding bullet and more stable than your morning coffee. Reviewers note the Ruko U11S's precise handling and stability, while the DJI Mini 2 SE is praised for its strong signal and wind resistance. Both drones are beginner-friendly. Ruko U11S has one key functions and a transmitter that charges directly, making it super easy to use. DJI Mini 2 SE comes with simplified operations and a return-to-home function, so even if you get lost, your drone won't. It's like having a GPS for your GPS. Reviewers find the Ruko U11S easy to learn and suitable for beginners, while the DJI Mini 2 SE is noted for its intuitive setup and stability in flight. Overall, the Ruko U11S is appreciated for its affordability, improved features, and solid performance, especially for beginners. Meanwhile, the DJI Mini 2 SE is celebrated for its quality, ease of use, and impressive capabilities at a budget-friendly price. Both drones have received positive feedback, making them excellent choices for different types of users. So there you have it, folks, the Ruko U11S and DJI Mini 2SE. Two fantastic drones with their own unique flair. Whether you're Team Ruko or Team DJI, you can't go wrong. Just remember, the sky's the limit, literally. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to Buy Smart, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a comparison. Drop a comment below with your favorite drone and any other products you want us to compare. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart. Product links are in the description.